Lesson 7, Sector of a circle. A sector is the region bounded by two radii and an arc. Consider the figures below. You have the first figure, OA, OB are radii. From A to B is an arc. So this region that is bounded by the two radii and the arc is the minor sector, while the larger part is the major sector. If you come here, theta is the angle of the sector. You have the two radii. Area of sector AOB of circle radius arrow and center O is given as area of sector equal to theta over 360 degrees times pi arrow square. The perimeter of the sector is the sum of the two radii and the length of the arc AB. Since perimeter is distance round a given shape from A to O to B, that is 2 arrow, then to A, the length of the arc. Therefore, perimeter of a sector is equal to 2 times radius plus length of arc given by this formula. Examples number 24. The area of circle PQ arrow with center O is 72 square centimeters. What is the area of sector POQ if angle POQ is equal to 40 degrees? Solution: area of sector is given by this formula, but area of a circle is equal to pi arrow square given as 72 square centimeters. Therefore, area of sector is equal to angle of the sector 40 degrees over 360 degrees. Pi arrow square together is 72. If you simplify this fraction, you have 1 over 9 times 72, and that is 8 square centimeters. Example 25. A sector of a circle radius 14 cm subtends an angle of 135 degrees at the center of the circle. What is the perimeter of the sector? Solution: perimeter of a sector is equal to 2 radius plus length of arc, written in this form. Radius arrow is 14, so you have 2 times 14 plus theta, angle of the sector 135 degrees over 360 degrees times 2 times pi 22 over 7 times radius 14. This term is one term. This is the other term. 2 times 14 is 28. If you simplify this fraction, you have 27 over 72 times 2 times 22. 14 divided by 7, you have 2 remaining. If you simplify further, you have this result follows by this and this. When you add, the perimeter becomes 61 cm. Example 26. A rope of length 18 cm is used to form a sector of circle of radius 3.5 cm on a school playing field. What is the size of the angle of the sector correct to the nearest degree? Solution. The length of the rope represents perimeter. Therefore, perimeter of sector is given by this formula. The perimeter, which is the length of the rope, is 18, equal to 2 times radius 3.5 plus the angle is unknown over 360 degrees times 2 times pi times radius. If you multiply here, you have 7. From here, 2 times 3.5 is 7. So you have 22 over 7 times 7. 7 cancel 7. Transfer this 7 to the left hand side. You have this result. Again, you can reduce this and 22 by 2. You have 180 degrees, then 11. Multiply through by 180 degrees to clear fraction. You have it in this form. To get theta, divide both sides by 11. Theta, the angle of the sector, becomes 180 degrees. Example 27. In the diagram above, OACB is a sector of a circle center O and radius 5 cm. Given that angle AOB equal to 100 degrees, calculate correct to 2 decimal places the perimeter of the sector. Take pi equal to 3.142. Solution. Perimeter of sector AOB is equal to 2 times radius plus length of arc ACB, written in this form. The radius is 5. The angle of the sector is 100 degrees. Pi is also given. You come here and replace the various parameters with what they stand for. You have this result. This is one term. If you multiply, you have 10. You simplify this fraction, 5 over 18 is remaining. You multiply these 3 terms together, you have this result. If you simplify this term, you have 8.7277. You add 10 to it, and you have 18.7277. to 2 decimal places, the perimeter is approximately equal to 18.73 centimeters. Example 28. A sector of a circle of radius 9 cm subtends an angle of 120 degrees at the center of the circle. Find the area of the sector to the nearest square centimeter. Solution. Area of sector is given by this formula. The angle of the sector is 120 degrees. You have this fraction times pi 22/7 times radius square, which is 9 square. This fraction simplifies to 1/3 times 22/7. 9 square implies 9 times 9. You have 22/7. Divide 9 by 3. You have 9 here. You have 3 here times 9 in this form. When you multiply, you have this result. After division, you have 84.857 to the nearest square centimeter. The area is approximately equal to 85 square centimeters. Example 29. A sector of a circle of diameter 14 cm has an area of 44 square centimeters. Calculate the angle of the sector correct to the nearest degree. Area of sector is given by this formula. The area is given as 44 square centimeters. The angle of the sector is unknown. We are given diameter. We need radius, which is equal to diameter over 2. You have 14/2 equal to 7 cm. You come here and replace area of the sector by 44 equal to the angle of the sector unknown over 360 degrees times pi times radius square. If you simplify this term, you have this result. 7 cancel 7. You are left with this. Multiply through by 360 degrees to clear fraction. You have this result. To get theta, divide both sides by the product of 22 and 7. You have this result, follows by this and this. After multiplication and division, to the nearest degree, the angle of the sector is approximately equal to 103 degrees. Example 30. In the diagram above, PQR is a circle center O. OQ equal to OR equal to 7 cm, the two radii, and angle QPR equal to 45 degrees. Calculate the area of the shaded portion. Solution. Area of the shaded portion is equal to area of sector QOR. area of sector is given by this formula. Angle of the sector theta is unknown, but theta that is equal to angle QOR, angle at center, is equal to 2 times angle QPR, angle at circumference. Therefore, theta is equal to 2 times 45 degrees equal to 90 degrees. It follows that area of sector is equal to angle of the sector over total angles in the circle times pi times radius square. This fraction simplifies to 1 over 4 times 22 over 7. 7 square implies 7 times 7. You divide 22 and 4 by 2. You have 2, 11. 7 cancel 7. You are left with this 7. When you multiply, you have 77 over 2, which is equal to 38.5 square centimeters. End of lesson 7. There is every need for you to be saved if you are not, because the Lord Jesus Christ is coming very soon. Some will be taken and some will be left. Live righteously and be prepared. Goodbye.